Hello kids, let's learn about keyboard. Let's start. Keyboard. You know that the keyboard is used to type characters, numbers and symbols. Keys. The button on the keyboards are called the keys. There are 104 keys on the keyboard. These keys are marked with letters, symbols and numbers. Type of keys. There are many types of keys on the keyboard. Alphabet key, numeric key, enter key and spacebar. Alphabet key. Look at the picture. Alphabet key. Alphabet keys are used to write letters and words. These keys are marked with letter from A to Z. Numeric key. These are called numeric keys. Numeric keys is marked from 0 to 9. These keys are used to type numbers. Enter key. This is called enter key. This is pressed to move to the next line. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. Spacebar. This key is called spacebar. It is used to enter or insert blank spaces between two words and letter. It is longest key on the keyboard. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.